Hi everyone, my name is Keith. I'm a machine expert with USACLEAN for 12 years, and this is the x1500 electric burnisher. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to keep your machine running at peak performance, and it'll help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. So if you have a bad operating switch and you need to replace it, super simple, this is how we do it. First, you're going to want to cut your handle grips, remove these 7 screws, and take that front cover off. Now, there are 2 small Phillips screws that we have got to take out. Just like that, and this whole switch can now be removed. Now, let's unhook the wires. Just like that. Now get your new switch, reverse the steps. Hook your wires back on. Black is on the bottom, white is on the top. And line up your holes. Tighten your screws back down. Just like that. Now what we want to do is get our front cover and get it put back on. Now what we want to do is go ahead and tighten down the 7 screws, the 2 small ones and the 5 bigger ones. All right, now what we need to take the strain relief and tighten that back down. Just like that. Now all we need to do is go ahead and get your new handle grips, since we had to cut the old ones off. Slide those back on. Just like that, and you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you liked what you watched, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Remember to stay safe, and thanks for watching.